Hi everyone, I'm your home cook Zui. Today we are going to make cabbage manchurian. For detailed recipe with measurements, check out my website. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. So let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. For making cabbage manchurian, we are going to need finely chopped cabbage, 2 cups, shredded carrot, half cup, finely chopped capsicum or green bell pepper, half cup, then finely chopped onion, half cup, and then we will also need finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger, and chopped green chilies. So I have taken one green chili here, and then I have taken 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. You can adjust the chilies as per your requirement. So if you're going to make this for your kids, you can reduce the amount of spiciness by reducing the amount of chilies. Give it a quick mix. We will also need 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and then 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Along with that, we will need some all-purpose flour and oil to fry. Now all-purpose flour, I have taken here 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You might not need all the all-purpose flour in the Manchurian balls. So the idea here is we are going to coat all the veggies with all-purpose flour until they are all coated nicely and become a soft dough. It depends upon how much water content the veggies have. So depending upon that, the quantity of the all-purpose flour will be decided. So I have just taken one cup of all-purpose flour, and we will add as per our requirement. Give it a quick mix. Start adding all-purpose flour and combining it with the veggies. I have added 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour at this point. I will just give it a mix and then add as per our requirement. We are not going to add any water here, so whatever water the veggies are going to release, that water is more than enough to form small balls of Manchurian. So here I have used around 9 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and now I'm just going to make balls with my hands. So just knead it a little bit into a nice soft dough, and then we will need small balls from that. We are going to need this kind of small balls of Manchurian, and then keep it aside. All the Manchurian balls are ready now. We are going to fry this Manchurian balls in the hot oil, but before we fry this Manchurian balls, we are going to coat each and every ball with all-purpose flour. So the coating of all-purpose flour will help the Manchurian balls to become more crispy. To cook the Manchurian balls, heat up some oil to deep fry all the Manchurian balls. Coat each and every ball with dry all-purpose flour before frying it. Do not add too many balls at a time because it will soak up all the oil and the balls will become soggy. I'm going to add only 4 to 5 balls at a time and then deep fry them until golden brown. Once golden brown, remove them on a paper towel. All the Manchurian balls are ready. Keep them aside, and now let's make the gravy for the Manchurian. For Manchurian gravy, we will need 2 tablespoons of oil, onions chopped in big cubes, half cup, capsicum, half cup. I have also chopped this in cubes. You can take any color of capsicum. Finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons. And then I have also taken multiple sauces and mixed it into a different bowl. For the sauces, I have taken tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons, chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon, soya sauce, 2 tablespoons, and red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon. You can adjust the spiciness by adding either less or more chili sauce into it. I have also added sugar, 2 tablespoons in the sauce mixture. We will also need half tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, some water. So I have taken here 1/4 cup of water. It depends upon how thick or how thin sauce you want in the gravy. And then coriander to garnish. So 3 to 4 tablespoons for garnishing at the end. I have also taken here all-purpose slurry. All-purpose slurry is basically 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and then add around 4 tablespoons of water in it. So mix it well and make it into a thin paste. This will help us to make the gravy thick. In a wok or a deep pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half cups of onions. Fry the onions until golden brown. Once the onions are cooked, add half cup of bell pepper. Fry the veggies for a few minutes until they are halfway done. Once the veggies are half cooked, add garlic. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of garlic. Cook the garlic until golden brown. Once the veggies are cooked, add the mixed sauces. Give it a stir. Add half tablespoon of salt. We will also need to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a stir. Add 1/4 cup of water. Give it a mix and let the water boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the water starts to boil, add the slurry that we made. Give it a quick mix and let the sauces cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. If the sauce is too thick, add few more tablespoons of water and let the sauces cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. The Manchurian gravy is ready. Add the Manchurian balls once you are ready to serve. Give it a quick mix. Garnish it with some chopped coriander or spring onions. Cabbage Manchurian is ready to serve. Serve cabbage Manchurian with fried rice or noodles. Fried rice goes well with Manchurian. If you wish to make fried rice, then check out my next recipe for fried rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you all soon with another yum recipe. Until then, eat well and stay safe. Bye bye.